picked up another new to me J-frame, 38 Special 642-1. It's in the air weight. It does have the Crimson Trace laser grips on it. I don't necessarily care much about those. I've already had this to the range, and I'll put some footage on at the last of this video. But I can actually do better by using the sights and picking up the front sight quicker. When I'm looking at that laser, it's all over the place. I can shoot a lot better group with the front sight and a lot faster. This is not something that I've ever owned before. Now I own, 3 or 4 J-frames, but the 642 with a shrouded hammer on them, I've never owned one of these. I always wanted to. Didn't necessarily want the air weight, but went into my local gun store, and he had this at a good price, and I just decided it's time to get one, because before I just end up buying something else besides this. And again, it'll be a carry gun. It's a decent shooter. I mean, it is lightweight, and it is a little snappy, but it's not uncontrollable by no means. As soon as I get some Uncle Mike's boot grips on it, it'll be great. These have been around quite a while. This one actually was, this is a new one. It's a -1. It's I think it was made in 24, 25. So I was not the first owner. It's a new to me. But whoever had it, they took good care of it. Clean. Didn't throw it across the parking lot or anything. Little 5-shots are very light and easy to carry. As far as the holster is concerned, I'm gonna this Larceny pocket holster for the J-frames. This is what I'm going to be carrying it in. They make some decent holsters. They're not the most expensive one out there by no means, but they're good holsters. They're belt and pocket holsters, they hold up pretty good. But I like I said, I went to the range with it, and I shot a good group as far as the iron sights are concerned. But the laser, I've used them before, and I just do not like them for whatever reason. I don't know why I decided to get another one. It's just one of those spur of the moment things, impulse buy, I think. The guy that runs the gun store, we're pretty good friends, and he gets me deals on stuff. But not sure how many rounds have actually been through it. It was not overly dirty by no means. The shield on the back is not beat up. It does have a slight turn ring on it, but that could just mean that he sat and played with it for a couple, 3 hours a day. Don't necessarily mean that he's shot it that much. The grips aren't worn. There was no wear on the grips whatsoever. So I don't think he shot it a whole lot, and it's very tight. Probably didn't shoot it 2 or 3 times and just played with it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me some comments. And don't forget to stay and watch the range footage. Thanks for watching.